Want to feel like royalty in just a few folds? I'm Miss Karya, and today we're crafting a super fun paper crown that's easy to make and so much fun to wear. Whether you're throwing a party or just vibing at home, this craft is for every little king and queen at heart. Let's begin. Step 1. Gather your materials. To create this DIY crown, you'll need scissors, glue, ruler, color strips for decoration, markers, or stickers for extra details. Chart paper, any color you like. Got everything? Great, let's begin. Step 2. Cutting and folding the crown pieces. Take a chart paper and cut it into a square shape. The number of squares will depend on how big you want your crown. I used 8 squares for mine. Now, let's start folding. Take one square piece and fold it diagonally to form a triangle. Open it up. You'll see a center crease. Now, fold the edges towards the center, but note, they will not meet end to end. From the bottom edge, fold up to the central base of the triangular top. Fold it again, and one more time. That's 3 folds in total. Repeat this process for all the squares to create the crown parts. Step 3. Assembling the crown. Now that we have all the folded pieces, let's interlock them. Take 2 folded pieces and carefully slide one into the other to connect them. Repeat the process until all the pieces are linked together in a beautiful crown shape. Bring the ends together and secure them into a circle. Glue the final joint to keep the crown firm and sturdy. Wow, look at that. Our crown is taking shape. Step 4. Decorating the crown. Now, let's add some fun decorations. Take 2 strips of contrasting color paper. Fold them and cut out cute heart shapes, or any shape you like. Glue the hearts around the crown to give it a royal touch. Step 5. Flaunt your crown. And just like that, your handmade paper crown is ready to wear. Put it on and flaunt your creativity. And voila! Your royal paper crown is ready to rule the world, one glittery step at a time. Whether you're the star of your own story or just crafting for fun, this crown adds the perfect touch. If you loved making, hit that like button and subscribe for more magical DIYs. I'm Miss Karya, signing off. Until next time, stay crafty and wear your crown with pride.